Hello students, today I will explain you about working and principle of autoclave. Autoclave is a device used for the steam sterilization under steam. It is a way of sterilization by wet heat. It can be used to sterilization of the media and glassware. The sterilization is carried out at 121 degrees Celsius temperature and 15 lbs psi for 15 minutes. The sterilization temperature and pressure can vary for some specified media which are heat sensitive. So different parts of this autoclave are. This is the main valve of the autoclave. Main plug of the autoclave. This is temperature controller unit where the temperature and pressure can be controlled, and this is lid of it. Should be used closed properly while autoclaving. And this is steam releasing valve used to release extra steam. This is pressure gauge used to check the pressure. Temperature will be raised, the pressure will also be raised, so it can be measured by this pressure gauge. And this is safety valve used for the safety. If the pressure is excess, then it will be released from this safety valve. And this is a gasket. It should be placed properly, and it has this is the tray to place the glassware, and this is a stand to place the tray, and this is heating rods. Autoclave have 1 or 2 heating coils, and the water level should be such a way that the heating rods are completely immersed in the water, and it is just close to the level of the tray. Now when we have the autoclave, we will place all the material to be placed inside this autoclave. We will pour all the cells in the autoclave. Now we will close the lid properly. After closing the lid properly, we will switch on the main button, and temperature here it will be shown. It is the adjusted temperature and it is the current temperature in the red lines. So now we will wait until the temperature will reach at 121 degrees Celsius, and after 15 minutes of reaching 121 degrees Celsius, we will close the switch off the autoclave. Wet sterilization is more effective as compared to dry sterilization because it has more penetration power as compared to the dry heat. So now I will show when autoclave will be completed. Now when the temperature will reach 100 degrees Celsius, you will release some of the steam. so that any vacuum will not be formed and heat will be distributed evenly throughout the autoclave. After releasing steam, you will close the pressure valve properly and wait until the temperature reaches 121 degrees Celsius. Now the temperature has reached 121 degrees Celsius and pressure has reached 15 lbs psi. Now we will wait for 15 minutes and then we will close the autoclave. After 15 minutes we will close the autoclave. We will switch off the autoclave, but we will not open the autoclave until the pressure reaches up to 0 level. We will open it only after the pressure will reach up to 0 level. Now the pressure has reached to the level of 0. Now we can open it carefully. Now our sterilization procedure is over and now we can take out the sterilized material and use it. That's all for now. Thank you.